Nice of you to drop in.
Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday, April 16th. Got another Amazon Prime to do. And you guys can get one at low cost. Coming from Gotham Steel. Oh, wow. Cookie tray set. Alright. The links are going to be down below. And hopefully you guys are alright. Everybody is safe. And we made it so far. But this month's been very strange with the weather. Doesn't even know what's going on out there. Snow, rain, sunny, and now we got these. Whoa, these are pretty heavy. Oh. And look at these things. These are nice. Alright, clean that up a little bit. Raise you guys up. Drop you guys down. There we go. And we got these baking sheets now. Fit. And cookies you could bake. Come on. Let me curve. There we go. Nice copper pans. Cooking sheets. I got nothing to cook today, so I'm just going to do the unboxing for these, but nothing to bake up on. Catch my drift. And we got, oop, wrong side of that. Go right here. Non-sticking aluminized steel bakeware. No oil or butter needed. Cookie tray. Bada boom. And I believe this is the same one. This one's huge. I think it might fit my oven. I hope. I think it will. There we go. And here is the second one. So this is a two-piece set they have. And I know you can buy single ones if you need. But these are not bad at price either. So I think it's under the $30 range for the price on these. Really nice. So I've had the pots and pans one, and that actually works really good. Easy to clean when you're done. No sticky stuff. Titanium ceramic. Alright. So like I said, YouTubers, check them out. Gotham Steel on Amazon Prime. And get yourself some baking materials and cookware and all that good stuff. So that's about it, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good one. And I'll see you guys back later on. Got some more mail coming in. And check these guys out. Alright, YouTubers. See ya.